I told you the secret to transforming your entire living room lies right under your feet? That's right. Your floor tiles can set the tone for your entire space. While walls and furniture often steal the spotlight, it's the floor that subtly pulls everything together. Today, we're diving into the world of ceramic tiles and discovering how the right floor design can completely redefine your living room's style, function, and atmosphere, without blowing your budget. One of the top trends we're seeing right now is large format ceramic tiles. These oversized tiles help create a seamless, spacious look and work wonders in both small and large living rooms. They reduce grout lines, making the floor feel more unified and clean. For a modern vibe, matte finish tiles in neutral shades like taupe, gray, or off-white are especially popular. They offer a sleek, minimalistic appeal that blends effortlessly into almost any home style. If you're looking for a timeless option with character, consider wood-look ceramic tiles. These offer the warmth and charm of hardwood without the maintenance hassles. They're ideal for high-traffic areas and work beautifully in cozy, rustic, or Scandinavian-inspired spaces. Pair them with soft textiles, layered lighting, and earthy decor to create an inviting atmosphere that feels both grounded and elegant. For those who love a touch of drama, geometric pattern tiles are making a bold comeback. Think chevrons, herringbone, or even Moroccan-inspired motifs. These designs bring a dynamic energy to your living room and serve as an eye-catching foundation for more neutral or understated furniture choices. They're especially effective in eclectic and modern boho spaces, where personality and flair are essential. Now, if you're working with a smaller living room, light-colored ceramic tiles can be your best friend. Shades like ivory, sand, or pale gray help reflect light and make the space feel more open. Consider tiles with a subtle gloss or satin finish to add a bit of brightness without overwhelming the decor. The key here is simplicity. Choosing a tone that complements your wall color and enhances the overall sense of flow. Seasonal trends also play a role in floor tile choices. During warmer months, cool-toned tiles like slate blue or soft beige feel refreshing and breezy. In the colder seasons, you might lean toward deeper, richer tones such as charcoal or mocha. These seasonal shifts can be supported with rugs and accent pieces, but having a versatile tile base allows you to adapt easily throughout the year. When it comes to styling, contrast is a powerful tool. If your furniture features darker woods or bold colors, a lighter tile creates balance and prevents the space from feeling heavy. On the flip side, if you have minimalist furniture in pale hues, a darker or textured tile can ground the space and add depth. Mixing tones and finishes gives your living room a curated, designer-quality look without needing a complete overhaul.